Jesus! Beyonce! How? Jesus! Nanajay! And you must show them why I know. When you mean your head, that will be hey! Abomination! Jesus, Nanajay, what about Amidia? It's over to me, Jimmy was saying. Nanajay, so what's so happen now by your Masama? Mianka Saminia, Mianka Saminia! Jesus! How? Beyonce! Abna! Hey! Hey! Jesus! That's an America. And there's some pan on American energy.
I don't know what she was. Sorry, I'm going to time. Time going to enough for you. Sorry, I'm Coach Arena in Quich. Not a promise. Coboito. Maybe I am not sure, sir. Anyway, me and Coach Arena.
I'll join you soon, right?
What?
I'll join you, Cecilia.
Okay,
Thank God. It was a dream.
come on. Mrs. Dako. She's gone. She's gone. How do you know? Two. No, I did too.
No,
I did.
Looking pretty.
Thank you.
Give me 360 before I say it.
Come on. Oh, Jane.
Hey.
No, you did.
I'm so dying. I'm not that bad.
No, you did.
And our sister Baby Ram. Trust me, hell broke loose. I dear we you know.
But she me say me no that bad so. I would die him.
Who names it? Me sorry na me craft. I was incredible. Yeah.
Hey.
I'm serious.
And you will say you're very careful.
But it doesn't prevent
and you will say very see you.
So boy.
We catch us my age and na kasam.
Oh. You be na oni.
Mrs. Tababisan, we am no fear. Nanko no kompa mommy.
Ye kasa bibri, mama kan hwe.
Diba.
Please, I'm sorry, Gray.
Baba, ni be do rough. Me ankasa na me. Ye pia. Anyamra me.
Much of me, I'm right. Don't ask your post. Excuse me. Bye.
Woboa. Me and me.
You know what me so.
Burning so why? And also just a mecha.
What?
Burning so washing and say.
Sorry.
To say, oh, hi, drew meaning the intercom sister, mom, promoting free her. Boy, no, I could say.
Why?
They now need it. Mojai. He said, a word, I know.
See, I'm a single.
Hey! Boy, you're single.
Single. I'm not even ready to mingle.
Oh, wow.
Hello?
Yes.
Who's more bad at home?
Janina watching.
Didi, mommy. Yana me hear you.
Johnny will imagine you.
Ah, me hear you. I did it.
You know,
I think I this same.
there is one are you.
Mammy, can there be into this same?
And I knew Sika.
Beyonce.
What's your euro?
Okay. Hello, madam. How are you? I hope so we are comfortable. B, your friend is saying your sister is not yet in it. I'll be by the poolside.
Poolside, okay.
In case it be we got some call.
No problem. You look nice.
Thank you. Alright. So I'll be by the poolside. Okay. I feel relaxed and comfortable.
How do you see the food? I don't know how to show you.
Forget about you, Johnny. Wow.
Wow, then.
Oh, sister, cute.
Ah, are you serious?
Wow, like.
Auntie, Mrs. Takuniti now. Let me shake account, Sam.
No, you feel.
And so what?
There's a girl was good.
Hey.
Oh,
my dear.
Yes, I Johnny no cry like. Young kind of was him.
Only one kind of was him.
Hey,
mommy, I beg you. It's Joe.
No,
don't do that. Don't do that. Ye Jamino in Jew. No. With Jamino in Jew. Don't try. What's the day? Me no nya kada ho. Wo she dan hu ma ya kada ho.
No den hu.
Don't try. Wo ya me ma on be fie.
Sharing is caring. Or you sister kunu die.
Mame.
Oh menyesa.
Asame na wo cha me.
Sharing is fair.
So what?
We cute.
Anyway, do you care for smoke?
Okay.
It's okay, fine.
So, you for me MK.
Oh, say dear, I mean, and some of the chair I mean, yeah, the PUC peg and the lip kiss.
Oh, wow.
So, you mention your name, then you give me a peg. Yeah.
Are you okay there?
Sure. What do you need?
MK.
Oh, okay. Send me the I think so, but sure.
No, I got you.
Oh, Naneje.
No, okay.
Yeah.
Naneje si kapa. Very cute, oh. Beyonce said, "My sister coming."
Well, I get that compliment a lot.
Okay.
Yeah, sure.
As I also my brother Bill.
Sir. I guess when Ghana. I know, right? Because I mentioned and say Ghana for sir.
Meet me and just in case my brother touch it down. Then
02.
Unyane number and chana. You will not get his number. Hey, now I thought Sagrona would you. What buka name? Abejina said, can I get your number? I thought Sagrona wouldn't need him, but what to me about Abejina number? Get out. Beyonce. PF me fear I don't want to see you in my house again. PF
oh dear grana I said.
Mami ke. Mami kata me need to know a PF yes I may what pull him.
No problem.
Get out.
Get out.
Beyonce,
I don't need you again.
Beyonce, you are shouting. Hey, Mami K, you know.
Get out.
Beyonce.
Me say get out.
Fine.
See some. Until now, so what the number nebe man, right?
Beyonce.
What the number nebe
Beyonce, do you know, sir? You are living in my house. Your sister is living in my house.
So what?
I cater for you guys. What to her? Oh dear, what's sister there? I mean, she's my wife. You know, I'll give her the maximum respect. What's your own age, maybe? I feed you. And now, in other regard in the crown, we all have dirt under our carpets. Who didn't say me no we didn't say this what about to be busy. Why don't you give me the maximum respect? Now Musami and Wasem. Why can't I be friends with your friend? What's so wrong about that?
Only my dear friend, maximum respect. Respect yourself. And son, I mean insult na also. Me ma warning, a strong warning. And mama down for be and befia hama me who say only me and you honum. And yes, sir, you will see the bad side of me.
Oh, wow.
Swagger, you have to be rational enough, say, yeah, in fact, traveling back in sea.
Sorry.
Papa, you say you go.
Okay.
Hello. Welcome. Hi.
There's my wife.
Oh, beautiful.
Venza.
Beautiful.
Hi.
As the last time, all Toronto, no one like
Yeah.
Nunca saw video call.
Of course.
That was a sign personal.
Oh, wow. Sorry, I didn't go for that.
Oh, I have a time video. No?
Oh, thank you.
No, man, I'm here.
And that's his wife.
Oh, okay. Hi.
So, we did allegedly.
Aye, it's allegedly. Oh, but you're going to say something.
Me don't feel that.
No, damage now, you're there.
Swagger.
Maybe you're messing now.
Oh, don't worry.
Come friendship account.
Do me a favor and call me the chef. Your friend is in Kenya.
Kenya.
Chef Kenya.
Nidi back on the enqua. What's what enqua? I'll go for enqua. Like,
I got hot too.
You work.
Afra.
Easy.
But you're more good water and
Yeah, no, she will come.
and you want to give me no.
Why?
No, my feel, but you're
But never mind. Like, yeah, no, but yeah.
Oh, no, the one very. Oh, come on. Yeah, baby.
So only a fresh air for me.
okay.
I bet what that.
How you feel? It's a good feel. I feel at home.
Kenya.
Yes,
do me a favor and ask them what they care for.
okay, I do careful.
I mean, ask them what they care for, not care for.
And this what you care for. Be some so won't take off no. But your can you cheer? Or see be some
idea
Omo pay, we saw say they don't
okay.
okay.
I don't know the buy no some
But your mum put your mum. My wife saw a bankune tilapia. Is that
bankune tilapia?
Yeah.
But your name is our jollof rice.
Jollof, yeah. Me jollof.
My husband.
Oh, jollof. And I have bankune tilapia. Now, mummy, no mean the bankune.
Kenya.
Yes, dear.
Be respectful enough.
Okay, boss.
You're calling my husband, dear.
Ah,
your boss, baby. What else offended, dear?
it's okay.
And, we have chicken sauce. Obey.
Oh no, I like jollof.
The guy don't like chicken sauce.
And this one guy, yeah, so air conditioning. And call me Beyonce.
Oh, okay.
Siri,
Yeah.
call him Beyonce.
Go.
Okay. I'll be back.
Okay.
In the next 5 minutes, boss.
And I'm afraid.
Okay.
Me watch your AC in so.
Yes.
Oh, it be an key too.
On this.
But I'm over to right. Oh,
I guess more flights and it was tedious and tiring.
And you a lot of food been talking about my corner flight in Para.
Wow.
Hey,
I fly back. Are you in fly?
hey,
Airline back.
KLM.
Some can say for British Airways.
Nah, I say.
Time now, baby, you know. Somebody.
good afternoon.
Hello, sister.
So I say,
I mean, my main introduction. Meet my friend. My friend allegedly. If you are going to another end. That's
Allegedly, yeah, that's my wife. Ella.
All right.
Until that when I was all day, just 2 years in Sia.
Oh yeah.
Why are they all?
Over in the days.
Have a water before.
I don't know what we're doing, sir. I saw you know, when you use a train.
We are on niggas.
We are on what?
Niggas.
How many times I'm going to men service serve you? Oh, yeah, say.
I'll be back.
Who are catching all those so genuine tomatoes? What's I don't say so you say? No!
We what?
Maybe how you have to put
Jollof.
I'm sorry. And you?
Banku and tilapia.
Baby, unko for any woman kasa. I don't know.
Now how many times any woman kasa? Just ignore. Sometimes they are just entertaining.
It's not normal.
Don't listen no more.
Sometimes they are just entertaining.
Rusty. Take your food.
Is it enough for you?
Oh, very okay.
It's enough.
It's very okay.
Okay.
Cheese for her.
Ale, your friend is saying, "Echina you would dinner, Danny would dinner." Some bread, I said,
"I will prepare for them."
And the mother in China,
you say what?
We can't go.
Hey,
okay.
But you, I'm near Kamadi.
Oh,
is it okay?
Okay.
And until I ain't me sucking you, you didn't do a better one, then we're just some.
How do you feel? The food?
Take your time.
Praise. Oh, is that for some men? I yes.
Babe, me enjoy on.
I said, "Oh my way, so."
Do you need anything to drink? Do you need any drink?
I'm okay.
Okay, boss.
Yeah, we will be inside too. Almost there under your watch. Why?
Okay.
Yeah.
So I should watch there.
No, you can't go. Yeah, okay.
Here, they will call you.
Okay.
Kenya, you can go.
I'm going.
Okay. Keep going, yeah?
I'm going.
Keep going.
I'll be back.
You've always been funny. Look at him.
Baby, but you're inside, right?
Chef.
Okay.
Chef. Chef.
Yeah?
Chef?
Mommy, plates, why? Small plates with a main fat.
What's my small plate? Oh, I think.
Baby, the way.
Fat tons, we are going.
I think so. What they are doing, you know, that problem, baby.
Come on.
Boss.
Me, the day was so.
Before man, go inside.
Oh, no more.
Hey! Last time, I saw something.
Sorry. Sorry, boss. How do you order that?
It's okay.
It's okay, go. Oh.
So, Prince, how do you feed it? How do you feed the food?
I said go.
You are bad, man. Don't go to boy dry up on me. Go. I'll be back.
It's not even funny. It's not funny.
Is he normal at all?
Wait.
Like, really? So, fabric.
Let
me just give it a try. And your daddy now, I'll convince your boyfriend to suck you because.
Hey, she say about have a sack.
No, the way you did anything.
I'll be feeling as a sack.
Let me try something.
No. I hear the family any moon time.
The between maybe I be crying on there. Let me try this for my parents.
Bakore fucking 9 pounds and I've been in your crowd. About that, I could have figured out the fuck with the knife, but you try some way here to them.
You don't know you come on.
You don't really.
This may be on Bejano hand because.
Those are times I'm a mess of cool and I'm going to be
Really?
Colors I could Italy. Chef no good Nediana.
My clumsy.
Colina.
The food you come out on your sakura.
I clumsy. Clumsy again into you. Okay, Colina. Colina, Italy, Colina.
It was too spicy.
They are best ever now. I eat two in my with him. Griff no.
Me none skills no you going. Let me really.
No, what's wrong? I don't think you have to have a song. There are one man who I see.
No, now entertaining. About Coba no abage now in China.
Salam who said, Mrs. Sopa. Hey! You know who I continue, Papa.
what if say the obeyes is here no? Oh, my husband and our wife is in a whole share. What do you think so about me no?
Ella, so you are pissed because of me so. Now, if someone should be angry and ask a murder, I think that it should be me. Because my friend is married to Obana Memedono.
Energy, what is coming over you?
You are coming over me. I mean, for how long have you been with that guy? Does it mean, say, me no, you guys were dating and answered it?
No, wait. Are you being serious at all? As them now walk or like what see the awagasa walk cannot tell what there.
Ella, does it look like I'm joking? I'm not joking.
Listen, Nanaji, let me tell you, my mama who say you're not the only man who we are seeing. And you thought say now was so bare my dear hey me who be that I can't do without you. Let me tell you.
Ella, enough.
My man is one of the best people I've met ever since I'm seeing.
Ella, enough of those sakasawi. You say we are here. So Yenka, let's talk about ourselves.
Talk about what?
I mean, you know, I've been the baddest boy I mean, I can keep this secret.
And what are you trying to mean? Keep what secret?
What I mean is, the S woman won't tell me. There is no way say, make the guy that you are with.
Nana.
And I mean, if I'm not looking.
Don't touch me. Nana, you should be the last person on earth because I asked him now who can.
Hey, what's up? Beyonce. Yeah. Is it the same Beyonce I mean when I say a different Beyonce?
Is it the same Beyonce I mean when I say?
No, we don't have energy. Small world.
Small world. So, Upape, you see me no? Now when you be worry, and I will you see me just like that now for my life.
Yes. It's going to say Saturday and we kind eating crank bro. Meaning she ever do love me secret. Anyway, like you're still looking beautiful.
Thank you.
Biological brother and
oh yes, one mother, one father. Naneji and me biological brother.
Oh, no wife. No?
Yes.
I see.
One mother, one father. Anyways, me ma forget to be here, so I'm cool with you.
When you one made me go in for that guy,
Ella, did you just hate
when
me?
they forcing mommy accepting the proposal, I was there with you, and I meet me opportunity me to cry. Me were going to na me say you are married, you're getting married to somebody else, and you wanted me to waste all my life, waiting for you. Me boy, na me second wife or what?
Ella, enough of the complaints. Come on, we are not kids.
Nanaji.
You can't say me complain, wife and all that. Come on.
Listen. That rubbish now will spell it out no. Maninka here. And I don't want my husband to know so when they come put once had something doing. I don't know you, you don't know me. Ella, let it end here.
Listen. Sebi, I'm not stupid. I'm not mad. I'm not me for. Na sen kamo ba fufu na nkmeti me cry den aka share.
Then how until I will pay the episode.
Asuma making you na say. Dear past. Let it lie. Let's talk about ourselves now.
What do you want to talk about? Aside being in a relationship with you, what else do you want to
talk about your beauty?
Nana James.
Ella, you are really funny, trust me. Yes, a car, what's name that? It's Tujawa and Yoya. But me car, what's name the beer one business at them, I'm into them.
Anyway, say better than care.
Bye-bye.
Come on, listen to me. This is better than care, like I'm in a bonko.
I don't get it. You better link up something.
You should understand this. You say, hey, bad girl. I feel like I come across. And I want to change here. Nekro, when I TV our session. As a woman in a finance or a yard, BSTCB, your best of training. Anyway, we are under this roof.
Yeah. Alej.
Yeah.
Madam, why? Is everything okay?
Everything is not really okay like that.
What you want?
Listen, by me, wedding come be free. I say like memories of me is so crazy. Mommy, who can come to say, I say, what happened between me and you years ago? No, like, and then the ministers are with me.
Are you serious?
Very serious.
But so no wife in the buy. So what? Debbie, I came back and
still not that bad girl.
And so, many bad girls. Come on. I dare we say,
like I'm gonna
it doesn't make sense. You're gonna sort me as in how?
Oh, Beyonce.
And it's no about my deep now.
Maybe sorry, that is about 2 a.m. But
so what do you want?
I pay for me.
Open day. No, it can't be possible. I'm sorry.
Come on. Beyonce.
I can't do that. You came with your wife. You have to be with her. Huh? What that, Debbie? Until where? It can't be possible. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I can't do that.
30 minutes.
God. No, that means I'm Brandy saying, what you
I'm busy.
This is so bad.
Very
You
bad.
with your wife.
Me, I know.
Do this. To see our past in the
I mean, apart from paying,
I won't tolerate this.
Apart from paying for Biada.
I mean, tolerate to see. No, that will
oh, come on. I am allege.
Very gross.
Me, that's here.
Don't touch me.
Me, touch you. Oh.
What do you want to call from?
Hey, me, said that fact must echo from. And I won't feel must echo from.
It doesn't matter. You came with your wife. Incident was all behind my life.
Oh, Mammy found back on a
Bayan Okoy.
Baby, remember when that saying, see my feel no we say my feel. Baby, I don't know we and manage you.
Venza. Who's that dear sir? What's the meaning of this?
Madam now do who come me sir. Me know that me person me know that. Like I feel like having
Venza, oh please. Oh come on. I don't know. Hey, I've had enough of sow and I just stress no. I don't. It's my worry I mean to me your time and fanda. Mean to me your time fan resting. Mean to me your time fan winning. Ah, should it always be about sex? Oh please. Come on, hey, please.
I don't we if you say you worry I catch say when I am your nina and fire one come here on.
He found some our email or true our email say 10 years also no about that. Oh, what? Hey.
See. Okay, see.
That's better.
me say as I what the me say to us after day.
Me cha a yini si so kan na me socialite a yini friends patron me.
Hale you see na dem one
Me da ha ma say click it as me. I'm sorry.
See what the me say there at all. Let say. Me call them my worried. My name say there.
No, me go to Zanka de number 3. Okay. Okay. And I want more fire day.
My brother sent me a fasting.
Come on, dear.
My breaking, so what's
Very nice.
Young Palau, men talk to the jam questions and then to them. I have pen cram out grocer. Do you think they are Polana? Oh, please. I don't like to me. And that's why they're men.
No, like, no.
Jesus. One more word from you. Mepa one more koda ho. One more word from you. Mepa one more koda ho. Come search na me adwuma.
E chobe adwuma enti ni me hia no. What me push me free wo so. I dey say one ho wo fa be chia na. Baby don't any menti ask you because obema of family reach and yes ani ni ya wo da di James see. Oba me I'm feeling honey. Me ba sorry. Person me no da what pushing me out watching it. Hey, Najay.
Wenza, we are bayful. Enye sex na person me have. You want to deprive me of my sleep. You want to deprive me of my rest.
Baby, my feel. Nana de bayo boniana. Me say me pay me sabi wo de ne pay so Erade honhom bia be wura me kunumu erade me bon pay yo pe so betie e wo yesu di mo e wo kwesi charge wo ye oh na we money banda no I also say there is time for everything na akwesi nti obi fie na ya ba kra nti obi fie ye mon pay bet 2 am what's up 2 am uni ma anya afi na honhom mutu akwesi dey em say honhom ni bi kwa ba be wura mu nti na wo ye dey away I'm then we want to find more. Oh, yeah, me want because that way dey. Jali awo ya na di why we fees am complaining. Ba ha ye tukwa. Akwesi. Honhom krona ba be show mu no baby o free bi enwumre o betu ansa na ade ache. Wo dey safa me how ade a me kwa for taso bi fofo. That's na ape. O fi ya. Ana hefe bi o. Be sa de be madam for kasi ngo. Wadam for no so dey mpaye nto bi to ne so no so honhom ba be me o so me to so dey dey man. Eh die kwa. Ah me ne wo da ha no me bo mpaye. Nya ben kwa. O dey tell me how I do. Adamu ni ben kwana otutu. Maybe can no feel because me fear dey hoye. Maybe can no feel because they are always no. Me know what we who be say that. Adamere mwa. Pentecost mame. O de ne me na. Ene me say ya na ye bom na enye. E modi emunye. Jesus. E ba dey bia ho. O de fe bi na me na. Me mpie na da. Me me ko. Why? Edra na jua honam beka honam no be ye gaga sa be de kwa na ho asore nada o da na Yesu gina wo so
be invite above for another was in the paginani. Na hara, what forgive hara. Better go now. Wait a minute, another. A pompire Sahama, no coin necessity.
Is it there pan away from one another?
You know how much I miss you in a day me in an answer.
It's not how if you are many kuni about this you, Mahana, Baby missing. Like, what was I made? What was I made your mouth?
Come on, if you in the rooms of yes, kitchen work, washroom work,
tell me. I've told you, since I won't worry, Miss Ma worry. Then pan up with me about like, then I'll pay for me.
I want to be inside you. I've really missed you. Haven't you missed me? We are not kids. We missed each other.
Are you being serious?
Yeah, I'm serious. No, I miss you.
Is it? Okay, so like, what do you want us to do?
I want us to make love.
What do you say? You didn't hear me couldn't pay
no one coming here. Kitchen here. I just say who is coming here.
Are you being serious?
I'm serious, Ella.
Now, are you really sure?
No one is coming here. You are still that sweet girl. If you have a son of a second wife,
I want to be a second wife. Maybe I'm a second wife.
No, the second wife will be the first wife for me. And I'll be a Ghana wife.
No Ghana wife, no. May you worry me the meeting I Ghana home.
Oh, so
Obi Bedi. Ain't 2 pint, or worry me and I the make up. The meeting our party will be Bedi.
Never know, Mrs.
Mrs. Audin, I'm just enjoying myself. That's life. The memory many to be at the non to it.
Wouldn't say after reaching the sound will be maybe I come marry. Satan, I'm marry you.
So, the Jawa, Nassau, Jayas, so a son. I'm here, and I'm the 2 quiet. It's then so what's so what's
ever for much. I'm fucking what that
say your day, not in your day.
Or that or China, because I'm really what I'm going to
see this. What's the mad in your day?
What in the day?
So, China never for me. Just let me the memo be a due.
That sounds a knock.
Where? Reggie. Me patch on me boo.
Oh, okay.
Me patch on me bow.
outside and went to the room.
I was like, it's here. Me mama so be frame me. Numeri about frame na obe join ko na many so for be na prayers, so I don't think so with me ada because she will see you.
Oh, no problem. So go if I can go to the washroom.
No. Once say prayers day na ma me ko na ma ba say me tane ne ye prayers and a Friday.
No worry, me go washroom was here na ka wa friend. Okay.
Ye nyampon ye. Afa was say ye ni 3
years.
Let me make it tomorrow, please, because of friend so me mama to me got some mom pie wa ha fenso see her say you say pacho just go tomorrow, please. I love you. Go down here and change. Some mommy dear, who pass a crop and say me a call no money na akoye fight. Say asena twim kan kaka. So obesa by all means obesa so you just go to your room because who has me ba.
Hey, no ba baby.
Obesa ba mo say
betra nche.
So ba Mrs. Takunti me ba.
Just go.
Yeah, just go. I love you.
Odia, what did you come about? I mean, Pia, on your quite prosperity. And I do Panamina, Minu Bar.
It's okay.
Because salad ni husa secure and sana ibe kwa yako so na betro
but from the way we see chiro no na me ne guy ne ka so ohene na ye to free ne honom no wewu isi ni o kem na waba no this ye kokọ HHS ke bi ye some big papers bi asa
ba sa de na amentiasi na siska na yetu awi jade na say san so
ko be ji free ensem isi me kwa was planning say that be ye on be hu say obi wo so dada no nka ye ntwa blocks ni bi enguso na nka ye nye fence fa dancer land ni beda ho kwa
o say ehu ni one say ya hu na ekoto fence wall and the be okay
na make sure say nka ye nko hu ni enye we ni nto wo say the be ya da chance be say ni ha no
ada na sense say tell go mama ye isa
me o kakwa
o ti o sika wi class ro ni safe
o say ohene na ye to wo no honom no we free
na say ohene na free mu assassin free
and am I want say so ohene free my plan na mu Japan until na mo follow plan be you na want to free one
next week Monday my young uncle free one because they be say you be free man sana e be ko baka yako
because ya my age and go so anja nto say sia e ba be langa da so na kana e be
e be dem pa
na baby I want to say very good
for businesses near the need to require an apartment for rent, short things.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, baby.
That's a bit hard for me.
Me patrol me day me purse be to table so we need just. Okay, me cook my baso. Na me adu. Ella, patrol mo ye. Meet me baby.
Oh yeah, sure. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Swagger. Bruh.
Oh God, man, I can eat it.
Yes, my husband is a
I'm saying, a man, I can eat it.
I do.
We go watch you. Go watch it.
Now, the person, no, my husband, no harm.
I'm just asking him.
No, I'm
just asking him.
Sorry.
I'm Swagger. You get me.
What's happening now?
Madam. I mean, big it, madam, get and one can't me. Never do I really big it.
I can't shout.
Also, the for a friend say,
I can't shout.
a Juma Muyi will fear the other year, Juma Pana. Because be a good choice and also says that you
can show me to me shouting. Be a kid in a moment.
Yes, sir.
No, let's be real.
Oh, very sure.
What's not good? What friend is on Braha?
We are Casona chef from Mutimium did too much.
I will always sample for that.
Question Ben.
So now watch 19.
Swagger.
Watch night.
Swagger. Madam, what is the problem?
Go
and open the gates.
Bema, I crash it. When I was far, I never lie. Wa gro die bia say no bia be fine bi. Oh, watch night when I kasa anyhow. I don't know where it's stuck.
Because I remember the last time I know about pineapple.
And I mess up with my boy and see ya me watch night. Be on pipe.
Anyways, me patron me po.
Okay. Everyone say, I know me na one pie you.
Why?
Me wife na one pie no na jo no. What can watch night na my wife can be say na obi o de na agye say.
Na so ni menimo.
Eh, kata chef say me din kan do kono why one fast.
Obedi kan what did you do?
E wi abo.
Ai, bibi ko de.
What be some sa. What is that to allow me go for but tell us na o mo sa ye menika.
Oh, they are fun to be with.
O kata so one kan do kono ma me why. Ani be easy.
Okay.
Oh, you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. But so you okay there?
Oh,
Ze, what do you mean you na bia?
What are you trying to do?
Agro on this you.
Yeah, agro dey go on this.
Madam. What is it?
I won't come. If you are the drama or how drama.
There will be a concept. I'm a boss and I got some bar for to pound to deny your qua.
Why your qua?
Ah, Funko.
Coconut for the catcher chef.
Oh, but you look you too free.
Why in country as a problem?
Me catch about why?
Lady Nancy no put it up now. Is everything alright?
Only just a friends and a Jimmy and a Jimmy and I need to
like may your damage now. I want baby sa person my husband. No, I don't even get it.
Who name Gloria will carry it here? When you know, a year is a bit just like that.
Yes, I'm
That's why.
And was a chef,
too much.
Oh, video be no
I go video one.
Minim. Over so that and teaching and bunch another young or chama, and you put number no you know TV so
not a way video center. Jimmy. There will be a Dasamaku video in Sunday and ham.
And best have
and if you have video
video.
Born
and as a four, as I would have myself and Jimmy Quan or Jimmy say.
Chronom born
and Tribon way, your friend at deck at last school. No, I deck at last school.
Ah, yeah.
I deck at last school.
Hey,
I grow woman is too much.
No, friend, I'm going for mental health patients being a big if you ask. What if that
you will be I say foolishness on the blood magazine.
We more than the extreme. Extreme. Because normal human being behave.
As I said, I have a bonus money pay.
America, they mean what's military to show. Higher different from
Browning.
Ghana the bow.
Browning.
Ghana the
Okasam into Browning.
Akwesi.
Boga Ghana okay.
Browning.
Akwesi. Hey. Kola kosha gate.
Browning.
Kola kosha gate. So not that make
one person be out.
Akwesi.
Me ma can go people. I say mo say but am any artist is be ojo want to say be crazy. Young cut up okra na me. I don't give a fuck about him.
You don't give a fuck. Me when I worry, so I give a fuck. What do you want me to do? What's the matter there?
For any other reason, you are still my ex.
No, not today. Okay, fine.
What is it?
Okay.
Talk to me.
No, okay, fine. Fine. Me.
What are you waiting for?
Options.
What option?
Let me couldn't fear.
So what do you want us to do? Fine. So what do you want us to do?
I think we need to move out of town. Just we should move out of town. It doesn't say baby, some hideout be or probably baby catch your area or I'll find some way like make a baby actually because I won't feel okay doing it and we'll have my brand couldn't so around like my conscience can't it won't allow me.
I honestly think you are making a sensible point because yeah, we are both staying with them and although we want to have our way, but intimately disrespect you all the time. I mean, I buy into your idea. Once you brought it up, suggest a date.
Tomorrow will be a perfect day. Probably I will just tell him, say, my friend member Chelsea BNC. I would want to go.
Okay.
Or what do you think?
Okay. No, I think I would have to leave before you. Because in me, some sort of suspect. It's okay. Me meeting I call say emergency. I won't say my miss.
Rejected me. I need to deny me for sense. When you got me, I know what you want me to
How dare you for that? Huh? Just me do not my Jimmy Anna.
I'm going to need to know about Jimmy was I know. How about that one?
Hey,
ain't you now? I say anyhow.
Sakura.
One year no man.
Okay, say if you bomb, no, what say I say?
Tell you watch it. Who back from me move? You're serious.
Na chance we pa ho dia ni wa ko mero aboma na ko.
Oh my God! Look at that! Easy tongue!
Hey! Hey! Okay.
Oh, pasi mi nya mi sa se kore. Mfa shi ha wa no she 3 or 4 times. Oba no ho ase ama.
Enti we police station say na ga be chiri.
Na ka me dey na me ye.
Na me ma no number na ya na akasa. Me schoolmate na dey na.
Schoolmate ada mu da school man
here. Ana ntia mo amani.
Many bay.
Me jaje o chiri.
Only le go to mame. Acha, hey ko. Abo. Beba, tara abo. Me sama ba. Sure na abo. Sam tare kasi.
Ya ta kasi e.
Mu tare kasi.
Me di fa fe na mi ne.
Abrabo na ngiti ne yebo. Ye mo abrabo no fu ayo. Ana se una unya seska na unsu be di the same thing. Meboa.
Ya na pa be ni te.
Ye de ye una anya oda. Ye nya ofaye.
Anybody know Ebeloni o? Hey, music to right. My ye o.
Ma sebe ma beka akese.
Ye hu so wotro. No fu a no
Opeka kese. Opeka kese. Opeka kese.
Ese man to man tell this no onyo.
Dabi. Tafa have you. Hey, aka 100 cedis. Ye na say. Ka 200 million.
Don't do that to me, baby.
Where we finish?
It's a little issue. Come me be solve, you see? Oh, bombo clat.
What problem, sir?
Huh?